Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the digital audio output delay on your HISENSE TV. So first, what you guys can do is go over to settings, and now let me quickly go down until we see the sound. Now here, go to the audio output settings, and here we will be able to change the digital audio output delay, and basically here we can delay the time to sync the audio from an external device. So you can basically customize it however you would want to, but I cannot do that due to, unfortunately, my region not being available in the current moment. So basically we'll just click OK and then use either left or right arrow to set it all up. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.